Hi guys, welcome back to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's do some exercises to make your hands and fingers stronger. Do you know why strong hands matter? These are the reasons why. You need to get a ruler and 2 clothespins. And when we finish, I have a surprise for you. Pick up both clothespins with your thumb, middle, and index fingers and squeeze them as hard as you can for 20 seconds. Take one clothespin with thumb and middle fingers and squeeze it as hard as you can for 20 seconds. Go! Switch it to thumb and ring finger. Now try your best with thumb and pinky. Let's switch to your left hand. Use your thumb and middle finger. 20 seconds. Now squeeze the clothespin with thumb and ring finger. Go! Now try your best with thumb and pinky. You have 20 seconds. Begin. We're using both hands now. Use your thumb and middle finger and squeeze the clothespin for 20 seconds. Thumb and ring finger. Finally, thumb and pinky. You have 20 seconds. Take your ruler now and put the clothespins on the opposite sides. Now make the clothespins jump one over the other without skipping any space. Copy me. Now go backwards. Pause the video now if you need more time. Place the clothespin in the middle and with your right hand spin the ruler on the table for 20 seconds. Go. Now spin it with your left. Amazing! Let's see what's inside the egg. It's a planet! Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!